आसावा ब्रदर्स कॉमर्स जूनियर कॉलेज, कंसेप्ट बेस्ड एजुकेशन, जहां सपने सच होते हैं।
Hello everyone, myself Poonam. I am here to present a PPT on the topic Microsoft. Microsoft is the sixth largest IT company in the world, and its founder Bill Gates is the second richest person in the world with an estimated net worth of 95.4 billion US dollars. History of Microsoft and its founder Bill Gates. Microsoft is an American multinational corporation having its headquarters at Redmond, Washington. It develops various products like computer software, personal computers, and related services. It was founded by Paul Allen and Bill Gates on 4th of April 1975. Paul Allen suggested the term Microsoft, which stands for microcomputer software. Microsoft had its first international office established at Japan, which was termed as SK Microsoft, which was later changed to Microsoft Japan. Microsoft entered the business of operating system in 1980 of Unix called Linux, but it gains its most popularity through the development of MS-DOS. IBM awarded a contract to Microsoft for the production of the version of CP/M operating system, which was supposed to be used in the upcoming IBM PCs. This helped Microsoft to gain the popularity. Following the success of IBM PCs, Microsoft still kept the ownership of MS-DOS with itself, and it eventually became a leading operating system vendor in the market. The first hardware product of Microsoft was Z80 Softcard, which was developed to help Apple to run the CP/M operating system. In 1987, Bill Gates was declared as the billionaire in the Forbes magazine with an estimated net worth of $1.25 billion. He was declared as the world's self-made youngest billionaire. Later, Microsoft has developed the Windows 3.0, and its first time advertisement was done on television. This product's near about 3 million copies was sold in the first 4 months of its release. In 1993, Microsoft was declared as the most innovative company of 1993. Microsoft then released Windows 95, whose near about 1 million copies were sold in the first 4 days of its release. Bill Gates appointed Steve Ballmer as its president and remained the CEO and the chairman himself. Steve Ballmer suggested Bill Gates how to hire really good people to increase the productivity of his organization. Bill Gates was declared as the one of the 100% who have influenced the 20th century, and he has received many awards like New York Institute of Technology's President's Medal. In the year 2000, Microsoft has released various products like Office XP, Microsoft XP. CEO to the Steve Ballmer, who have led the company through various tough times like busting of .com browser, etc. In 2006, Bill Gates became a part-time worker at Microsoft and became a full-time worker at Bill Gates and Melinda Gates Foundation. This foundation has donated a large amount of money to various charitable organizations and various scientific research programs. The main objective of this foundation was to save lives, improve global health, and it has also joined hands with the Rotary International to eliminate the polio. Working after 14 years, Steve Ballmer passed the position of CEO to Satya Nadella on 4th of February 2014. Satya Nadella is an Indian, and having our Indian at such a topmost position of CEO at the topmost company, that is the Microsoft, is a very proudful moment for all of us. Microsoft has developed Windows 10 in the year 2019. Microsoft has done various acquisition, and the largest one was the acquisition of LinkedIn, which was worth US $26.2 billion, and the second largest acquisition was the acquisition of Skype in 2011, which was worth $8.5 billion. During this time, Bill Gates was declared as the world's richest person in the world with an estimated net worth of 89.9 billion US dollars, and in the year 2018 he was declared as the world's second richest person with an estimated net worth of 95.4 billion US dollar. The first richest person at that time was Jeff Bezos, the owner of Amazon, and currently Bill Gates is the fourth richest person in the world. So this was the journey of Bill Gates and Microsoft, how Microsoft helped Bill Gates to be the hero from zero, how to be the self-made youngest billionaire in the world. Thank you.